A funny story? Hmm. Actually, a funny thing happened 2 days ago. This is no joke. I was walking in Sofia in the park in the forest, and some woman was walking, and I see something like dripping, and I get closer and closer, and I see she has no underwear on, and her pussy is really wet and dripping all over the ground. So like say, hey miss, like, do you need help with this or what is it? She says, well, it is wet, it's dripping, like it's kind of saying, come and fuck that puss bitch. Then I fuck her, I kill her, so I buried her in the forest, and that's why I escaped Sofia, because I thought in Macedonia they maybe won't, you know, see what happened. I should go to bed. Good night, guys.